Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to walk you through all the skincare and body care products that I've been loving in the month February. I mean, these have been such an absolute gems. Now in Pune in specific, the summer have already begun where things are very hot and very humid. And these were some products that I used and I kept my skincare very minimal because the more you layer it is going to be humid and then you're going to feel very chappy and sticky. So I really wanted to keep it super easy for summer. So these are some products you should really get your hands on. So let's quickly get started. So, the number one product that I've already spoken about, but in February I absolutely loved, and this product is genuinely over, is by Wish Care, and this is their rose water. This instantly makes your face super calm, super cooling, and also gives you that refreshing touch. The fragrance of rose is like perfect and I absolutely love it. All you have to do is just take like this pump and just spray it around and it instantly makes your face so calmer, cool, and that nice little fragrance just is so perfect. So I am super impressed by this product and I would highly recommend, and I absolutely love this throughout the month. So the next product that I have are like these two gems. These are like lip balm that I've been using day and night for the daytime. I've been using this product by Wishcare. Now this is their ceramide lip balm, and the best part about this is it is tinted and it has SPF 50 with PA 3 pluses, which I think is fair enough. And I absolutely love it because I don't want to apply a lot of lipstick, lip liners, or lip gloss or anything in summer. I really want to keep it super easy. So this is like it protects your lips because it has SPF and it also is tinted, which means it will give you like a nice pink. This is something that I've been wearing right now, and I'm also going to apply and show it to you. This is something it looks like if you can see it. And it really is super fab. I really like it. It is very easy, no chappiness. It's extremely simple. And I think honestly for summers you really need to keep it very minimal and not put a lot of things on your skin because it is gonna be super humid. So I absolutely love this. And for night, because we don't need an SPF, I have something from Juicy Chemistry. Now this is fabulous. Now this is something it looks like. I've already used so much of this product. This smells so good. So this actually has blood orange and rose hip, and it's an organic lip balm. It's extremely great, not chappy. It really moisturizes your skin. If you have like super dry lip, you can it instantly moisturizes your lips. I really love this. So if you're someone who really wants something for the morning and for night, I think these are the lip balms I would highly recommend, and I've loved this throughout the month. So the next product I have is by Acne Squad. Now I have no idea, but I believe that because of stress and so much thing going around in February, I had like so much of acne around. Like one is still here, and I also had one here, and I think on the forehead I had two. I think I have just one now, and one have just vanished away. So this product right here is very handy. So this is their Acne Squad, and this is the Breakout Terminator Spot Corrector. Now what this does is as soon as you get an acne, all you have to do is just take a little bit of this, just pump this and just apply it there on your acne and just leave it overnight. That's about it. Don't do anything with it. I think on the third day, it just starts to dry up and this it just falls out. There is no acne scar that's there. There's nothing that is there. You would not even know that there was an acne there before. But having said that, you don't have to go prick it or, play or fidget with it. All I'm saying is when you get an acne, just apply that and just leave it overnight. And trust me, after 24, it actually works uh, post 2 days. So I would say 48 hours to 72 hours, you would actually see that it is dried up and it just falls out. So it's extremely fab. So I really, really love it. And this really helped me. So whenever I got an acne, I just applied it, and 3 days it was like zoop. So I absolutely love this product. So the next product that I completely loved was by Dr. Shade. Now this is their Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. So this says that it is a sleeping mask, but honestly, this really calms my skin. So I really love this, and I actually use this in morning and night both, because it instantly makes your skin super calm, super, cooler, because because of the heat and everything, you tend to get a lot of acne, inflammation, and also a lot of tanning that goes around. So it is extremely important to keep your skin extremely calm and cooling and use the right product. And I think haldi and hyaluronic acid are like perfect, and that's the reason I use this. Now this has a great consistency, okay, and the texture is amazing. So let me just show it to you. This is something it looks like. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it has like these tiny beads of haldi, and I've just spread that across for you all to see. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, it has a gel-like consistency, and it's so moisturizing. It's so amazing. I mean, it's super gentle. It has like literally a haldi ka smell. So yeah, I absolutely love it. So if you're someone who has like sensitive skin or have prone to inflammation, or you really want to keep your face at bay and very ease and cool, you should definitely try this. Instantly my this part of my hand feels so much cooler. Yeah, I mean, it's amazing. So I really, really love this product, and I think you would too. So go grab it and try it on if you like it. So the next product I have is like a girl's best friend. I mean, in summer you tend to sweat so much, so much of sweatiness that is going on, especially your underarm area, and then that crazy odor that goes around it. And I, being like a very, very hairy and sweaty baby, I have to keep everything like in place. So I have loved this product, and this is by Be Body Wise. This is something it looks like, and this is their 4% AHA BHA underarm roll on. This actually helps to control body odor and also reduces pigmentation. This is something that I've been wanting for. These claims are super, super true. I have been using this for about 4 weeks now, or yeah, around 4 weeks now, for 3 to 4 weeks, if I might say so, because I started like in first week of February. So yeah, so I love this product. It really helps with that odor and with that sweatiness, and it also helps to reduce pigmentation, because I am a brown skin girl. So I tend to get a lot of pigments around my underarm. I don't know why, but because I honestly have like super hyperpigmentation problem in my underarms. It's super, super dark. So it really helped me. I wouldn't say it completely gone, but I think with consistency, it would probably like, gradually reduce. But for now, I'm really, really happy. It really helps to control the odor, have really helped to minimize the, pigment, and it also helps with the sweat. So after shower, just come and just dry your underarms, and then apply the roll on. Very, very easy. And then that's about it. And yes, that's about the video. I really hope you like this video. If you have any questions, put that in the comments and I will surely reply like always. And with that, let's end this video. And you know the drill, like, share, subscribe if you love the content. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.